Hello, I'm Dr. Dan Dwyer, Chief of Staff at the Outer Banks Hospital. On behalf of our medical staff, I want to thank you for adhering to the recommendations for social distancing. The light traffic on the bypass is evidence that the Outer Banks community is taking COVID-19 very seriously. These protective measures will save lives and ultimately get us back to normal more quickly. I also want to commend local officials for making the tough decisions to protect our community from the spread of COVID-19. The new stay-at-home order is absolutely essential to protecting the public's health. Please strictly adhere to the stay-at-home order to protect yourself, your family, and your community. In addition to reinforcing the importance of social distancing to slow the spread of the virus, I think it's also important to talk about how we treat each other during this challenging time. So before I get back to delivering babies and scenario planning to care for potential COVID-19 patients here at the Outer Banks Hospital, I have one more important message for our community. I strongly encourage interpersonal civility. It seems like one of the only outlets right now is social media, and there's some pretty strong words and untruths out there that have the potential to stir up even more anxiety and anger that already exists. Please be careful with your words and use only trusted sites for factual information. Our children and other vulnerable individuals are stressed from the current situation, and they are listening. If we want to curtail bullying and harassment and all of the negative consequences of this behavior, such as worsening anxiety and depression, we must set a good example. In direct response to what I'm unfortunately reading on social media, I want to come out strong and let the community know that the Outer Banks Hospital and Medical Group provides and will continue to provide high-quality, compassionate care for all patients, regardless of their diagnosis, home zip code, or license plate. I am confident in our local healthcare system. We're remaining calm, and we will provide care with competence and compassion throughout this crisis and beyond. And although we are open for business, and that never changes, we, like you, are looking forward to a day in the near future when the Outer Banks community is once again bustling with all the activities that makes this a wonderful place to live, work, and visit.